Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing a full day of eating and a deadlift PR video today. So just getting started with the first meal of the day, and I'm just having 2 hot cross buns, a coffee and my vitamins. I'll probably end up having a bit more than this, but yeah, if I do, I'll let you know. Sorry about the quality, guys. I forgot to put my camera battery on charge, over the last couple of days. But yeah, so my camera's flat, and I'm using my phone right now. So the quality will go up soon, but I'm gonna have to put up with it for now. But one tip that I can say that I really fucked up for a while there, I was taking my vitamins before I ate. And then I started feeling really sick and I couldn't figure out why, and every now and then I'd end up spewing. But yeah, I ended up searching up on the internet like why that was a thing, like why I felt so sick. And it turns out that the vitamins, if you take them first thing in the morning without anything in your stomach, it agitates your stomach and it can make you sick, which is weird. I never knew that could happen, but the more you know. Alright, so just preparing meal number 2 right now. Meal number 2 is going to be, I'll probably say about 200, 250 grams of Scotch fillet and about one of these packets of pasta. So this packet of pasta is about 820 calories and it's over 100 grams of carbs, I know that, and the steak is going to be about 300 calories. So 1,000 calories right there, and it's going to be ready in about 10 minutes. Alright, so how I like to prepare my steak, you just set it down on a chopping board, smash some salt and pepper on each side. As easy as that. And then cook on a high temperature for, I like medium. I don't like a heap of blood in mine, but just cook it on high temperature and about 3.5 minutes each side. Fuck, that's a lot of food. Alright guys, I'm absolutely fucked after that meal. That was huge. I still couldn't finish it. Still got a bit of steak left, but I'll eat it off. I'll finish it off later. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be going to the gym before the next meal or if I'll be having the next meal. I probably will be having the next meal. So I'll see you with whatever happens. Why is my dog afraid of the camera? Anyway. On to the third meal of the day. Gonna be eating steak again. It's about half as much as I ate before, probably around 200 grams of wedges and probably 100 grams of beans. So yeah, all around good meal, and then we'll go deadlifting and we'll go to the gym. of those auto doors that only give you 10 minutes.
You open it up. That's so embarrassing.
And it's like, door is opening now.
And you're like, no.
And I had my pants down and everything, and I scrambled over the door, got my hand over my dick, and I'm hitting there, pressing the button, and making it close again. And I look out, and there's this girl looking at me. I'm like, good.
Hello, YouTube. Welcome to my crib.
What?
Jump off the bench and say some gay shit.
I'm gay. Alright, so that was the third meal of the day. Yeah, and so, yeah, we'll be going to the gym soon. When I mean soon, I mean like in a couple of hours, so. I'll see you guys there.
1 week later.
So I'm back. I got a little bit busy over the weekend. And yeah, I couldn't really do much. So we're going to the gym now. I'm finally going to finish off this video. As my punishment, it was 44 degrees today, so we're going to do deadlifts and squats and bench and pretty much a 5x5 program, because I pretty much sit in the gym all week because I've been lazy little motherfucker. So, doing a 5x5. You know, it's going to be a good day at the gym when you haven't even started to do anything. Like, you haven't even gotten in your car yet. You haven't even walked to your car and you're already sweating. So, yeah, let's see how wet I can get. Hey, don't start with that shit. This is for kids over here. Am I right? Oh, yeah. I am gonna fucking die. So, I normally would be using my camera right now, but except it's a bit too hot and it keeps on overheating. So, I guess I'm just using my phone then. So that's what I trained. Did deadlifts 5 sets, 1 rep each set, and then squats I did 4 sets of 10 reps. Not very heavy because I hit PB and I'm going heavy, so I didn't really want to destroy myself. But yeah, I was gonna do a 5x5, like shoulder press, chest and back, but couldn't be bothered. It's just I kind of wanted to walk in there, get a deadlift PB, do some squats and walk out, you know, just fuck around, might hit a PB today. But yeah, so that's that for the gym. I'll see you guys when I get home. What are you doing? You want some gains, don't you? Don't you? Grab your rice here. You're gonna smash in some of that. And you're gonna smash in some of your steak or lamb or I don't know what this is, it's leftovers. So I'm just guessing. More rice. Get some of your Nando's mild peri-peri sauce because I'm a white person and I can't handle heat. Pour some of that in there. Well, that's the dogs now. That was good, wasn't it? You get a bit more of your juicy sauce. I've used like half that bottle. And mix it all together, and boom, you got steak and rice bowl. And Nando's, even though Nando's doesn't do steak, Nando flavored steak and rice bowl. I may have sinned over here, but fuck it. Do what I want. I highly recommend if you cannot get your water in, like if you can't. Fuck! I'll do the lid up this time. I recommend. Let me get some tilt action on this camera. Can I get some more low action? Oh, that's not flat. I highly recommend if you can't get your water in to get, come on, focus, some of this Mount Franklin lightly sparkling lime scented, hint of lime flavoring, water. Because, man, I normally don't like soda water, but fuck, this shit, I've drank like 2.5 liters of this shit today. It's crazy. Alright guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry that it was like a week late. But yeah, anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button down there. I think it's here somewhere. But yeah, so, and chuck us a like as well. Really helps out the channel. And check out the Instagram. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.